Add a boost of style and height to your summer sandal collection with the Kaya shoes by Laundry. You'll love the natural look of this cork-wrapped wedge heel that offers 3.5 inches of height and 1.5 inches at the platform to keep you stable. It'll boost your look and you. You'll love this upper that has a really glossy appeal that looks really beautiful in the light. You'll find an easy hook and loop closure around the ankle keeps you nice and secure, while a soft heel counter rests gently back your foot. The insole is nicely padded to give you some all-day comfort, and you'll find some sawtooth ridges at the outsole will give you lots of traction. Wherever you decide to go this summer, whether it's just for a walk in the park or for a beautiful party, these shoes have got you covered.